Good morning, everyone. My name is Cheuk from Healthcare. My topic is knowledge about primary healthcare service among Hong Kong students. The meaning of primary healthcare is a concept of avoiding illness, which aim to prevent citizens suffering from chronic disease and raise their health awareness. Second, primary healthcare services are accessible, cheap, and free of charge. It could indicate student health risks, educate healthy topics, and monitor their overall wellness regularly. The situation of obesity in Hong Kong is severe, and it resulted in huge medical burdens. Obesity refers to student body mass index is higher than 85 to 94 percentile in their gender and age. For students who are older than 18 years old, their body mass index will be calculated by dividing weight by the square of height. This is important to prevent obesity during teenage. This is because when children are fed during teenage, they are likely to develop fatty liver in the future. In teenager who is overweight during adolescence, it is highly associated with an 8.5-fold increase in having hypertension from 27 to 31 years old, and 71% of people also die because of this every year. The existed government intervention in student health service. There are three main services: student referrals, physical assessment and screening, individual consultation, and the health education activities. The research objectives are to test student knowledge on primary healthcare and its service. Second is to understand their utilization of service and the effectiveness of the health programs. There are two research focuses. First is to investigate whether secondary school students under tertiary education understand the aims and types of primary healthcare service. Second is to investigate whether student knowledge will inspire them to make use of those primary healthcare services. The sample size of this study is 300, and we include Hong Kong citizens who are secondary school students and students under tertiary education. We create an questionnaire by using Google Form, and the total successful rate is 95.6%. The online questionnaire lasts for 4 months, and it is sent to the public by WhatsApp and Instagram. There are 4 parts in total, mainly multiple choice and scale questions. For the second part of the questionnaire, 5 questions are related to the health programs inside the student health service, in order to test student understanding toward primary health care. Data analysis is done by SPSS Statistics and the Microsoft Excel software. The findings include level of education of the valid respondent is averagely distributed in these studies. Student level of their understanding toward primary healthcare service is medium level. That means they are approximately understand to primary healthcare service. After completing part 2 of the questionnaire, their mean mark is 3.1. This is quite satisfied, but there is still room of improvement. When we comparing the mean marks between level of education, you can see that between the junior, secondary, and tertiary group, the data are significant as the p-value is less than 0.001. This means that when you have higher level of education, you have more understanding toward primary healthcare service. Mean marks of different level of understanding groups show that more of them got higher marks than they get and have higher level of understanding than they predicted. You can see that most of the respondents visit the Student Health Service Center every year. For students who have participated in the Student Health Service, 137 out of 241 of them participated in all education, vaccination, and body measurement services. And for students who never participated in Student Health Service, 42 out of 60 samples found that they have improvement on knowledge in these aspects after completing part 2 of the questionnaire. And 33 out of 58 students who never participated in this service also found that they would visit the center every year if they were having the chance again. This tri-square graph provided that the p-value is equal to 0.003, so it is significant. It can show that the improvement of knowledge is highly associated with the motivation for students to participate in primary healthcare service. Students think that the understanding of primary healthcare is largely motivated them to participate in student health programs. 84.4% of students believe this primary healthcare service could improve their health. 268 of students think that the importance of understanding on primary healthcare service is largely helpful for solving local obesity or overweight programs. To conclude, health programs are aimed to promote health, avoid illness, and slow down the progression of the disease. The individual consultation and education are still not sufficient to enhance the understanding of the students. Higher level of education is positively associated with the level of understanding towards primary healthcare service. Having high level of understanding and knowledge could motivate students to make use of the service and believe it is largely helpful on solving local obesity problems. It is important to avoid misunderstanding or underestimation on the effects of the primary healthcare service. Otherwise, it will lead to high mobility and mortality rates. This is the end of my sharing. Thank you.